My name's Brian. I'm with West Roofing Systems. I've been here for over 35 years. I'm here today to share 4 signs of bad roofing contractors for you so that you know how to evaluate a contractor. When you're vetting out a contractor, one of the first things you should look for is a good reference list. If a contractor doesn't have any kind of portfolio or references, you're relying on what he's telling you. I think the best way to find this information is to talk to a reference, especially if you can be specific as far as if you are a school facility, ask for school references. Talk to them, see how the people operate with their background checks and different things that they may need. Definitely recommend that you ask for any type of insurance certificates. They're readily available for a good contractor. If there's a leak inside the building during the whole process, the building owner could get stuck with that bill. They should be able to get a certificate of insurance, limited liability, specific to your company or your building. That's something that's very important to be able to get. And also licensing, definitely be licensed on the state level, but then also down to the municipality level. That definitely shows a sign of a good contractor if they're staying up with all of their requirements that are needed. In regards to payments, I'd be very hesitant to make a payment up front with a contractor, just because if there's no value, if you're not getting any materials or anything like that, you got to be very cautious. A reputable contractor is going to offer you at least 30 to 60 days to be able to make a payment. Sometime on larger projects, they will require to be paid if materials show up on site. And even asking for payment up front before they start the project. Here at West Roofing, we do not ask for that. We try to get the projects done, and then we ask for our payment when we're completed. In regards to sales tactics, say high pressure sales, we're not selling cars here. We're selling roofs. It's not like we expect you to make a decision right there and now while we're sitting in front of you at your desk. I mean, this is a decision, it's a long-term decision. You need to be able to think about this. You don't want a salesperson pressuring you saying that, I need your decision today. Just take your time. You don't need to be high pressured into making a decision on your new roof. You need a contractor that's big enough to perform, but yet we still have those small caring about every facility. Doesn't matter how small a project is, we're still going to care and take care of them just like it's working for your grandmother. I want to make sure that you make the right decision and hire the right contractor the first time. Visit our website at westroofingssystems.com to read our full article and download your own interactive commercial roofing contractor checklist to accurately compare quotes side by side and make the right decision for your facility.